Welcome to our full guide on how to run any CS2 workshop maps in Geforce Now. Get ready to unleash your creativity in the world of Counter-Strike 2. First, let's understand what CS2 workshop maps are and how Geforce Now makes gaming more accessible. Before we dive in, let's cover the requirements for running CS2 on Geforce Now. You'll need a compatible PC, a Geforce Now account, and a stable internet connection. Here's how to set up your Geforce Now account in just a few easy steps. Head over to the Geforce Now website and create your account. Now let's install CS2. Open Steam, navigate to your library, and download Counter-Strike 2. Once installed, go to the Workshop tab. Here, you can browse and subscribe to the workshop maps you want to play. Let's talk about navigating the CS2 workshop interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout to find maps quickly. To load your workshop maps in Geforce Now, simply launch CS2 from your library and navigate to the Play option. If you encounter issues with your workshop maps, don't worry. Here are some common troubleshooting tips to resolve them. To get the best performance from Geforce Now, consider these tips such as lowering graphics settings and ensuring a robust internet connection. Here are some of the best workshop maps to try on Geforce Now. These maps are popular and offer amazing gameplay experiences. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you enjoy CS2 workshop maps on Geforce Now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.